आपको जब किसी अननोन लोकेशन पर ट्रैवल करना होता है तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करते हो? यस, वी यूज गूगल मैप्स। पर कभी सोचा है गूगल मैप्स हर बार कैसे करेक्ट डायरेक्शन एंड टाइम बता के आपको परफेक्टली आपके डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुंचा देता है? So let's understand how exactly Google Maps work to take you to your destination. Google Maps has become a part of our life by offering us accurate mapping and turn-by-turn navigation. It also helps us with local business listings, integrates with other services, receives constant updates, and allows community contributions. Now coming to how Google Maps processes and executes such heavy operations so quickly. That's where data comes in. But wait, what kind of data? Google uses data from users' real-time GPS, traffic patterns, and where roads and lanes are made. The team also works with governments across the globe to get the base idea about how and where the roads and lanes are made, and uses that data to create maps and locations. Google uses its own AI to get images of road spacing and locations to map it more accurately on their platform. The AI then sends these images to Google servers to give a proper idea about traffic restrictions. Once all this data is collected, machine learning algorithms are used to predict traffic patterns, estimated travel times, and real-time updates. And you know what? Technology इतनी ज़्यादा evolve हो चुकी है that with the use of satellites, we are able to see a much more immersive 3D imagery in another mapping application of Google called Google Earth. Now that you know how Google Maps work, do you know who's the mastermind behind all of this? Well, they are no aliens. The seamless functionality and accuracy of Google Maps are made possible by the dedicated work of so many data scientists. Intrigued? Well, you can also become a part of something that holds so much importance in our everyday lives by becoming a data scientist. And don't worry, it may sound complex, but with the right guidance, you can become a part of huge organizations like Google. So, now you know how data science helps the entire world every single day to navigate from point A to point B. I have a course recommendation for you as well. Check the first link in the description to know more. And for more such content around data science, subscribe to Newton School and I'll see you in the next video.